Cyclone Chiwenga hissed the nation. He demanded the arrest of Zvigananda. He demanded a referendum, and the people demanded him. Sarapina mashukotokwa na makomichi achiti awa vipi Chiwenga munhu wevanhu panguva inoyi zvingaita as if zviri kublokiwa nevanhu, but the truth is being known. Sarapina mashuko mdaitokwa panapa na makomichi. A staunch Chiwenga supporter will subscribe or like on the bell icon. The people of Zimbabwe facing hardships, facing corruption, and the threatened violation of the constitution through bill number 3. But there is hope somewhere. Chiwenga. Everyone is hoping Chiwenga will bring change to Zimbabwe. Everyone is hoping Chiwenga will stop corruption officials. Everyone is hoping Chiwenga will protect the constitution of Zimbabwe. That last year, in the Politburo, Chiwenga demanded the arrest of Zvigananda, stealing from every corner of the nation. Last month, again, in the Politburo, Chiwenga insisted that if the bill number 3 is truly for the people, then it must go through a referendum. His actions have made him a darling of the people. He is seen as a people-first leader across all social media platforms, from Twitter to WhatsApp groups. One line keeps repeating: only Chiwenga will save this nation. When the war veterans, pastors, vendors, and students all say the same name, this is no longer politics. That is a cyclone, and it is hitting the nation. Doma developments and mudatoka panguva ine zvinokwa kunzi aiwa vipi Kosano Chiwenga onyasokuratidza kuti he is the general. Panguva ino ari kuchichoose the right side of history. Kuno kwanzi vipi Kosano Chiwenga you would have joined the looting team, but Chiwenga anouya panguva ino openly achiudza Zvigananda kuti aiwa siyai zvekuplunder the nation nemaresources ayo. Panguva ino achitaura achiti hatina kuenda kuhondo kuti tikwanise kuzongwana mapersonal gains, but we have to save the nation. Enda comment section medu dzafungura imo kuti pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell.